Hey everybody, it's Neil, and I am always outside doing work and construction stuff and helping out and things with my friends as they build projects and whatnot. So I got this here. This is the steel toe shoes. So I wanted to get some that were super comfortable steel toe shoes. So instead of getting those big old conking things, I wanted to get ones that were like sneakers. So look at this. So these are super soft here. You see they're flexible and everything, but then up here, it's got the steel toe, so it's super hard. So you got that ability there. And the bottom has a nice tread on it, and it's a good hard tread. They look nice and fashionable too as far as sneakers go. And so let's take out the padding here, and I'm going to try these on. This one here is, so I got size 40, so I'm not sure exactly what that corresponds into. American ones probably 8 or 8.5, because that's what I normally wear. And, oh, you guys can't see that. Let's aim it down. So here we go. So yeah, this is what it looks like here. So it's got a very padded bottom. Let me see, I can take it out a little bit. You can see it's got good padding and cushioning here. So I will put this on here. I don't have any socks on, but these are super comfortable. They're just like, feel like sneakers, so, which is the idea. I guess it says Hung. I guess that may be the brand. H-O-N-G, Hung. So let's put this on here. Oh, that's not going to fit with this. So here we go. So now I have some good shoes to be wearing to the construction site or anywhere, and they look like sneakers, so I can wear them wherever, and they are nice and strong. I don't even feel anything on my toe. Well, I shouldn't, because they're steel toe. So how perfect are these? These are great, and I can feel the edge of it is like right there. So right there all the way through to the tip. So that's all the hard part. So anything back here I'll feel. So there we go. These are awesome. Oh my gosh, they feel great. Super padding, comfortable. These are great shoes. I feel like I could run in them. So I'm going to say these are awesome. These are probably the best steel toe shoes I think I've ever tried. So these are great. Thumbs up for sure.